part of the AMUN, because I remember that I used to watch videos of MUNs and parliaments about 2 months ago, and I never thought that I could participate in such a function myself. But here I am, and I am representing the delegation of Canada. I am pretty sure this is just the first step, and I would like to proceed to take part in other MUNs, and I dream to take part in the International Harvard MUN. My team members, I would like to thank them, as they helped me very much. We had many video call sessions and online sessions. It was such a wonderful experience. Thank you.
The trophy is not the biggest achievement. Winning the hearts of our members is the biggest achievement. First of all, I would like to thank each and everyone being a part of this AMUN session. I am very grateful to be a part of this. I thank all the members of this community. Either they are our seniors, our principals, our director ma'am, vice principal ma'am, and a big thank goes to our teachers. A loud clap for them. And I would also like to thank my team members which helped me. We had a lot of video call sessions with our mentors, and we performed well. Thank you.
Respected chief guests and all my fellow delegates, I am Ayush Dubey from the delegation of United States, and I must say that it was an honor to be a part of such a pivotal session. In here, we all 97 people representing 25 different countries, we all got to know something new about each other and every country. I am sure that the general knowledge and the information about other countries, even own country, for example in the delegation of United States, we got to know so much more about the United States and the other countries we were researching on. So this session truly enhanced the knowledge about other countries. And as about the discussions, I really loved it when we all put our heads together for discussion, and we all basically learned diplomacy and how to form a diplomatic temperament that we can use in future and also use for conflict resolutions, which is of course a very important part of the life. So that's my experience in this session, and I really hope that if I get another chance to be a part of this session, I would definitely take it. Thank you.
Today, I want to thank my principal sir, vice principal ma'am, and the chief guest who is sitting over here. As a delegate, it is very honored to come represent our country. For AMUN session, Global Voice Summit, it is a very smooth and successful session. It is very grateful to stand before this. We don't represent our country. We represent it. We live in it. We also know that we come from, we have represent different countries, came from, but we live in India. The diversity in unity in diversity. So I would like to thank my country Brazil. They have my friends. They have supported me very well as the backbone of my country. And thank you so much to the chief guests, judges, secretary, speaker, drafting community. They have also supported me. Thank you so much for this MUN session.
That I am happily saying that I was a delegate of Adani Public School AMUN, and I am a delegate of the delegation of Netherlands. And I think we all can agree that all the delegations have debated with passion, and everybody has negotiated with potential, and everybody is honored here, right? The passion, negotiation, and everybody found common ground. We all have enhanced our knowledge. We all got to experience something new. And apart from our own country, we got to know so many points, so many weaknesses and of other countries. We got to know so much about every country. This is absolutely like mind-blowing when I tell this to somebody. And one more thing, we also got to know how to overcome weaknesses of like every country, how everybody shared their experience, and I'm sure we worked day and night for this day, right? Like we were first told that this MUN is going to be like performed on like 7th and 8th October, I think, right? But then it got postponed. We got more time to prepare ourselves, and today everybody did so well. Like if I was a judge, I would tell everybody is the best delegation here. And I'm just here to say that if there is one more AMUN coming up between 2026 and 2027, I will surely be a part of it to be a delegate of another country. Thank you.